Hi babe, welcome to the wonderful world of Tori Belle's magnetic liner and lashes. Go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to walk you through the very simple, very quick, easy, no mess way to do magnetic liner and lashes to add a little bit of glam to your look. There's a style for everyone and I hope you enjoy. So excited to share with you the Tori Belle magnetic lashes and liner that I have been rocking almost every day in the month of June. So I thought it'd be really cool to come on and show you guys the easiest way to apply it, and you'll need two things. So you'll need the Magnitude magnetic liner and a style of Tori Belle lashes that are also magnetic. Okay, so with the magnetic liner, it is a liquid liner. It has the brush and you can apply it straight like a normal eyeliner. You can also put it on top of whatever liner you normally use. So I'm going to be doing that for the other side to show you guys. But you literally just create your normal lash line. And if you don't normally use eyeliner, I would still say you really do not notice it as much because the band of the lashes is what sits there the most. And actually by adding eyeliner, it's going to kind of thicken and volumize your lash line. And you can do a full wing. You can just follow the shape of your eye. And then I'm going to stop kind of where my lashes begin. So that is coat one. We're going to let that completely dry. It's about 30 to 60 seconds on dry time, and then we're going to do a second coat. That way you have enough of the iron oxide material, enough of the metallics that are going to attract the magnets that are on the false lashes. This side I applied my favorite black liner, so whatever you normally use, you can put it right on top. So I'm going to do that for my first coat over here. And I'm literally just putting it on top and tracing the line I already created, going from inner corner to outer corner. This side over here is dry, so I go back in and apply a second coat. Right, so I do recommend also kind of using a lash comb to get any particles off your lashes and putting at least one coat of your favorite mascara. That way it will help the lashes blend seamlessly. So I do that prior to applying my lashes. I also have already trimmed my lashes, so depending on your eye shape, you are going to want to make sure that they set in there correctly before you do the liner. So I've already done that. If you are not sure about how to trim lashes, I'd be happy to help you out, but these are it right here. So this is in the style Ladies Night. I have, like I said, already pre-trimmed because I want them to fit right at the beginning of my lashes and then end on the outer corner. You don't want them to be too long because then they will not lay correctly. It also comes with little anchors. So those I usually put on the inner corner and outer corner just to secure it. If I'm going out all day and I just want to make sure it lasts, but you do not need to do that. Now, in between uses, you are going to want to make sure you clean off the magnets. So to do that, you can just do a little alcohol and clean them with a Q-tip. We also have our makeup remover that helps get liner off of those. And they will last 20 to 30 uses, and then 60 uses for the liner. So it is way beyond compared to any other strip lashes I've ever used with glue. And there's literally no mess. So I always wear liner. So that might be the only learning curve for you if you've never used liquid liner. But trust me, once you have that on, it is so much easier than doing lash glue. So I'm going to start in the inner corner and lay it down on the liner, and you'll feel it kind of latch on. And then I'll add it to the outer corner here. Make sure it feels comfortable. And that is also one of my other favorite things, is I hardly feel like they are on. And that's it, you guys. So that is Ladies Night. It's that simple. It's not coming off. You can add anchors if you need them. And then we're just gonna add to the other side. And va-va-voom. I love the Ladies Night. It's just a nice wispy V shape. It elevates any look. And let's do the anchors. So what I will do is I will grab one of the anchors and I will concentrate it here on the outside corner, and it literally latches on just like that with the magnetic lash. And then I will also do one for the inner corner. So I have it, oh, that's two, I only need one. So I do recommend tweezers for this, and then I literally just go up into the inner corner and you feel it latch on and they are secure. So that is kind of my extra little trick I do if I plan on wearing them for a long time. I hope this helped you guys understand the easy, amazing, non-complicated, non-messy way of Tori Belle lashes. So if you would like to shop the link that I have here, and any questions, send them my way. Bye, babe.